Hello dear traders, welcome back here one more time with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Let's talking today about the stocks and ETF. Especially we're going to talking about the TQQQ and the SPXL. It's two ETF that follow, one the Nasdaq 100 and the other the SP 500, but in leverage X3. Why are you talking about them? Because really the market it's a little bit going crazy. But it's not really to panicking about what is happening right now in the world. It's more to see an opportunity. Really, it's nothing special what is happening right now. Yes, because some strong news, like really important news, that is like the war or this pandemic, how we can call it pandemic, that is created now around the world. It's give pressure, give scare in the market and make this fall very stronger. But really it's stuff that already happened over and over again around the market in the last 100 200 years. So if we really study the graphic, that is what give us the clue of what is was happen and what can happen and what will happen probably in the market, we can start be a little bit more quiet. Example, here I have a one graphic of the TQQQ together with this violet line that is the Nasdaq. So if we bought in the all-time high of December 2022, let's say, probably we are now under a 60, 70%, 75% maybe of our portfolio because of this strong fall down after this war that is happening right now. So yeah, we are actually in losses. But if we looking a big picture, we try to look more in the long-term investment. This is a completely normal situation that in the future will again turn around like did all this time. All these crashes that happen in the world always after turn around and make at all-time highs in a new way of make profit. So if we really, let's say we bought instead of in the maximum, we bought in the last pandemic we have no long time ago in the minimum. Let's say we have the luckiest and get exactly the bottom. When the price reached the all-time high was already up at 931%. But right now we still will be 178.38% in profit. And if we bought only the Nasdaq, still will be at 65.86% in profit and have also a maximum of 139%. So if we bought $10,000 of TQQQ and we were really good and close at his peak, we was make almost 100,000 USD dollars on the market. This is just for show you that really need to have a more big view. Of course, if you're a trader, you try to get the more amount of money than possible in the short amount of time than possible. Yeah, this is really a nice way to try to get rich, but it's also very difficult because you never know how will perform the market in a specific day in a short time frame. Because every small news can move in the market and can touch your stop loss, especially if you are invested heavily in leverage. If you are without leverage, that's another story. Really, your profit will be not so bigger, but you will be more safe against this turbulence. That's why I prefer to use the ETF with have auto leverage like the TQQQ or the SPXL. They are auto X3 leverage, but give me the security of trade like it was no leverage at all. Why the TQQQ moving in X3 is mean that every day movement of the market he do it 3 times more. Example, if Nasdaq today go up a 1%, the TQQQ will go up 3%. That's what is it. That's the power have this one. You really want to trade without so much risk, because everything in investing is risky. Without so much risk, I think TQQQ and SPXL are nice tools to use. For now, really, with this situation what is happening right now, it's a great opportunity to thinking more like a medium long term. It's a great opportunity to start create your portfolio for a little bit more big view, not just thinking about what I will make today and tomorrow, but thinking what I will make here from 3, 4, 5 years. Because if the market normally repeats himself and do the same, The next bull run can be again maybe not so bigger like a 900%, but can be a 3, 4, 500% again. So you will triple or make 4 or 5 or 6 times your amount that you invested. Let's make an example. You invest in 1,000 and again go up a 900%, 1,000%. You will transform this $1,000 in 10,000 in 2-3 years. It's something really unbelievable if you look in this way. Of course, this movement is so bigger that normally is not really a normal movement of the market in a short term, but in a long term they are. Why? If we look in the market, we study the past market, and we look in. Let's compare again this sell with the S500. Example, from this point till this other point here in time of, let's say, 10 years. In 10 years the market go up again here also a 941% in 10 years. So I think it's if you divide it in an average, 100% a year in profit, it's something that everybody will signal for it. Now if we look in again the market, and let's say we bought in 2011, 2012, 2013, or let's say, yeah, 2013. Let's move this till 2013. Let's say, okay, 2012. The market, in this case, in the new all-time high that he did it in 2018, okay, in 7 years, let's say in 7 years, he go up 1,800%. If we still hold it another till 2000, let's say now 2023, okay, 2012 till 2022, let's say again 10 years, he go up in the next 10 year 3,106%. 3,106%. So now you can understand that really what we need to do it is see the big picture. If we have some amount of money, it's a nice idea to invest it and waiting for a long term. The really 10 years is not so big long term, can change your life. $10,000 can transform your life. Even $1,000 can help a lot of people in this amount of time. Let's say $1,000 becomes $30,000. It's already quite a good amount of money for a lot of people. So what we need to look in now is see this one like an opportunity. Don't scare and just sell your position. Try to see more like a big picture, thinking more. In this kind of occasion, every trader have to become an investor, by my point of view. You have some amount of money that you're thinking that you are trading, okay? Remember, I am not financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. You can do whatever you want with your money. You don't have to listen to me about it. By my personal advice, if you have my personal idea, if I have some amount of money that at the moment I don't have, maybe next month I will still start to have something, I will directly put my money here. Why? Because I am waiting that in the next 3 to 10 years this amount of money can increase 1,000% the more, probably, if we repeat the same what is happening in the market till now. Okay, that was the video, just for try to take it away a little bit of fear that is right now in the market and try to give a more positive view on what is happening right now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have some questions, just comment me down below, and see you next time. Ciao guys.